Hey man, you got the cheese? No, I don't.
Last week we discussed whether or not Doctor Strange's multiverse could be real, and I finally have an answer. Using Stephen Hawking's multiverse theory, I concluded that there are in fact 14,605 possible multiverses, but there is one problem. Out of the 14 million multiverses, there isn't a single one where you get some bitches. This is a quite rare phenomenon. This lack of bitch getting is so rare that even Dream had better as at speedrunning Minecraft, and he fucking cheated. I know you're probably asking why. Why do I get no bitches? But I think a better question is who. As in who the fuck asked? You see, nobody asked for your opinion, and by you giving it anyway, tells us that you want attention. A very common symptom of fatherless children. Funnily enough, there also isn't a single multiverse where your dad comes back with the message.
What do you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean, hey.
You're not a bitch. You're not ugly. You're not disgusting. You're not a slut. You're not dirty. You're not spoiled. You're not a monster. You deserve to be loved.
Want a break from the ads?
Why the fuck do my dog walk sideways, boy? Like, he don't walk regular. The pit walk horizontal.
Happy birthday to you.
Heterosexually.
Why the fuck do my dog walk sideways?
He don't walk regular. The pit walk horizontal.
He was running from a caca. Jumping on that dang little big star.
Feel like GTA with like 3 stars.